Welcome back, everybody. We are with our friend, FIU culinary student, Pedro Velarde. And you know, in this day and age, we all get so many recipes from TikTok, Instagram, you know, social media. Pedro made a macaron recipe that got millions of hits on TikTok. And all because he took a classic macaron recipe that requires almond flour and used all-purpose flour instead. Easy recipe?
Very easy recipe. I encourage everyone to try it on. And yes.
All right, let's try it. Let's start it. We've already started. We took some powdered sugar and the all-purpose flour, and we started sifting it to incorporate everything well. And the key here is to do it at least 5 times.
Yes, the mixture of all-purpose flour and powdered sugar, we're just sifting it as much as we can, actually, just to incorporate a lot of air into the mixture.
So now what? We've sifted powdered sugar, regular flour, everything's nice and combined. And now we've got to make some
meringue. We're gonna add egg whites and some white sugar, granulated is fine, caster sugar.
And now we whip it.
And now we whip it. So we have reached stiff peaks. So stiff peaks is when egg whites are whipped so much that the peaks we form are literally stiff. They do not move a lot, and it's pretty stable. So at this point, we can add any coloring or any flavor we would like into our egg mixture. I'm gonna add some purple gel food coloring. A couple of drops would be fine. So we're gonna mix a little of this to make sure the egg whites are the color or the flavor we want to. The options are endless.
That's true.
And the flavors as well. We can even put almond extract and make it taste like almonds.
Okay.
Which is we're not using. So now we're gonna
flour and powdered sugar and add
yes, we're gonna add it in about 3 parts.
Want me to help?
Sure.
I'm like, ooh.
Yes.
Fold it?
Yes, just folding it so it can be incorporated without actually destroying the egg. The third one, we must be careful to not overmix it.
I'll leave the third one to you.
Yes, perfect.
Okay, so that was 1. This is 2. I'm still on the easy route.
Yes.
Okay, so this is the third one. Let me show you guys how it looks so far. And you said the third one is the make it or break it, so yes. I'm gonna step away and let you do it.
So what we're doing right now is kind of deflating the meringue we just made, but until a specific point.
And what's that point?
That point, I would describe it as a thin cake batter. Okay. People also describe it as lava, but I haven't ever touched lava, so I wouldn't really know.
We'll go with thin cake batter, that's true. That's a lot more specific than lava.
Perfect, so this is the consistency we would want. Now we're gonna put it in a piping bag. I'll just put some batter right here and fill the piping bag. Not too full, halfway through it's fine, because we're making little ones bite-sized macarons.
Okay.
Okay, so we just press it onto the circle and that's perfect.
All right, I'm a mess. All right.
No, it's good.
We'll know which ones are mine. Oh, mine are a disaster. Can you guys tell which ones are Pedro's and which ones are mine?
So we want to let them rest for about 20 minutes. We want to make sure it's dry to the touch. And once they're set, we're gonna bake them at 285 degrees Fahrenheit for about 15 to 20 minutes or until they're fully dry.
So Pedro, while our macarons are baking in the oven, you are getting the filling ready, which you made a pastry cream ahead of time. And that is what's gonna go in between the 2 macarons to make like a little cookie.
Exactly.
And the recipe for that is on our website. All the recipes are on our website, but you already knew that.
So now we will just find macaron shells that are similar in size.
Got it.
So we can sandwich them and make them look good.
Got it.
I have this pair right here. And we'll just put a dollop of pastry cream, not too much, and just sandwich it.
Give it a lid. Oh, I just want to pop that in my mouth right this second. Okay. Check it out, guys. We put the macarons in this cute little decorative shell. So fancy. Pedro Velarde of TikTok fame, the macaron that got almost 10 million views on TikTok. Who knew? Try it at home.